Oh, what a place. What a start. Adventure Fuerteventura. Good morning everyone. It's exactly 5 o'clock and we are just pulling into Fuerteventura.
Ladies and gentlemen, and all passengers, we welcome you to your destination and wish you an enjoyable stay.
Wow, it's barely 5 o'clock and we have already arrived. Oh god. And yeah, but that's where it's dark. I thought we'll arrive about 6-ish or even past 6, but we are already here. Yeah, so let's get to the car park and start backing things up on the bike and hit the road.
¿Tiene vehículo?
So,
¿Tiene vehículo?
say again?
¿No tiene vehículo? ¿O
Bike?
coche?
No coach, no coach.
¿Tiene coche?
I'm on a motorbike.
Andando, pero moto.
Motor, yeah.
La dejaste abajo, tienes que ir al garaje.
Down?
Sí, ya,
Okay,
down.
see, thank you.
Yeah.
Gracias.
No tengo nada.
Okay, sure. Oh god, can you imagine that? I put my alarm at 5 o'clock to wake me up, and just all of a sudden I woke up. It was barely half past 4, and there was an announcement, so I quickly had to pack up everything. And I thought, you know, I don't want to be the last one on the ship. Oh god, okay, let's go down. I hope I've got everything because I packed up everything in rush. Okay, got some tissues in here, let's throw them away. Okay, right, let's go down outside. We've got a lot of time to kill because it's gonna be good 3 hours at least, 2.5 hours to 3 hours before it'll be any light outside. So we'll have to find some place where we can stay for some time. Okay. Welcome to Fuerteventura. Wow, it is really on time. Gracias. It is exactly on time. I cannot believe that. But it's great. The weather seems okay. I had to put on my jacket. Look, some patches of clouds around. stop somewhere and wait good 2 hours before the dawn breaks. Because it's too early, 5:15. I think even McDonald's is closed. Oh God. Oh my God. I thought, you know, they said 5:15 arrival. Okay, it's gonna arrive. It never ever comes on time. So usually it comes a little bit late, and then by the time you get to your car park, you know, kind of throw everything on, and there's a long queue to get off the ferry, and it takes time. But this was, I mean, I think 10:05, and I was already out. I was out of the boat already, and which is great. I mean, they're very good with time, especially this time. I was hoping that, you know, it would be a little bit late. What are we going to do now? I have no even destination. I haven't shortlisted anything yet. I thought I'm gonna, okay, I'll just wait here. Maybe, I don't know what time they'll open. Look, it's even McDonald's is shut. I thought they're all 24 hours service. Okay, never mind. Searching for some place to kill some time. It's still pitch dark here, and yeah, it's still not even 6 o'clock. Yeah, not even 6 o'clock. So I'm in search of some fuel station, and where I can stay for an hour or so. I am riding on the highway going down south with the ocean on my left hand side, and I can't see anything. Oh God, this is what it is. Welcome to Tarantas. Finally found a cafe. Gosh, nothing is open at this time, and the time wouldn't pass, and it is still not even 7:15, and everything opens here at 9 o'clock at least. Even the cafe is open at 9 o'clock. That is insane. Still pitch dark outside. I couldn't find it. Even the fuel stations are shut at this time. So yes, we'll take it easy. But now, at least there's something. At least there's a cafe open in this time. I did some research, and every cafe was opening at 9 o'clock. This was the only one. Luckily, it was about a mile and a half away. Oh God. That's alright. That's alright. The day will start soon. Maybe it's time to take it easy. I'm very close to a beach, and yeah, it's just a walking distance. Just waiting for a little bit more now. The sun, sorry, not the sun. Now I can see the skies are, you know, kind of starting to show up. It's been cloudy, very windy, and yeah, I will go down to the beach to see if we can catch some bit of sunrise. Let's see. Okay, so this is Fuerteventura. Okay, so I arrived here in Puerto del Rosario. That's where the port is, and that's where the oh guys, so much noise in here, and that's where the ferry dropped me. And then I had to drove down. I was looking for a few stations, couldn't find anything. The only cafe was open is in here in El Castillo, very close to El Castillo beach, which is here. I'm very close, it's a walking distance now. So in 10-15 minutes we're gonna head to the beach and see the sunrise, hopefully. Not very positive because looks like it's a bit cloudy at this time. Once we have spent some time at the Castello beach, then I'm gonna follow this road. I think this is FV2 road is called. Yeah, FV2 road. It's a beautiful road. So I'm just gonna follow this, and this will bring us to the very southern tip of the island. This cafe is so noisy. People they don't just come and grab a coffee and go. It's like they come, they chat. I think they're all locals here. I don't see any. I think I was a first or second customer. Now there were quite a few. It's a bit noisy here, but that's what it is. Oh, finally, the light. Oh, the day has finally showed up. The light is here, so that's a cafe where I sat for a good an hour to wait for the light to come out. So Fuerteventura, day 1. The adventure begins. Let's head to El Castillo beach, which is just under a mile. I'm actually in El Castillo beach town already. Whew. Today is day number 16 on the road, and we have just landed in our island number 4, Fuerteventura. Pretty excited about it. I know the weather is not great for now, but I'm sure at some point the sun will come out and it's going to be nice and warm in somewhere around in the region of 23-24 Celsius. That would be pretty good weather. Okay, let's go to the beach to see. It's a bit too early, but catch a glimpse of the ocean, the first view of the ocean in Fuerteventura. Let's go. So we just arrived here, and now I remember this place when I came last time. Oh, it's a yeah, very nice place. Okay, we'll leave the bike here and we'll go for a walk. Let's leave the bike here, go for a walk. Okay, so they've got this little shopping area. Of course it's closed at this time, but very nice to walk around. I can see the sun. I can see the sun is coming out. Oh, it's pretty windy here still. Oh, very nice. Everything is still closed. People are getting ready. to start the day. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Oh, I remember this place. I do remember this place. Oh, very nice. Look at that. Look at that. Everything is closed. Okay, so finally we are here at El Castillo Beach in Fuerteventura. It's very early in the morning, not even 8 o'clock. But it's the right time because there won't be very many people here. So let's walk down to the beach. Oh, the sand. The feeling of being on the sand. I'm not appropriately dressed for a beach, but that's what it is. Wow, that is pretty amazing. And Fuerteventura airport is also very close here. It's very close. It's exactly where the ferry terminal is, very close to the ferry terminal. Oh wow, look at that. The only thing we need is our friend, who is still a bit shy, hiding behind those clouds. I'm sure he'll come out soon. I think it's the best time to be here with no one, literally no one's around, and you can be on your own. This place is all to myself. It's a nice start of the day. El Castillo Beach, not very far from Fuerteventura Airport. When you come out, you head down south, and it's just I think 5 miles away, I guess, around. And it's a nice place. Got loads of hotels and places to stay. Nice vibes to this town. Not a huge one, small, but yeah, very nice. Looks like there's a lighthouse there. There's another lighthouse to the other side, and just below the lighthouse I can see there must be a cafe or a restaurant. Look, the sun's finally out. Wow, Ooh, such a nice feeling. Oh, what a place. What a start. Adventure Fuerteventura. Very nice, beautiful morning here. No one is around here. I know I was here early, but that's what it is. I've got a full day ahead of us. We're gonna stick around here for a few more hours. I mean, a couple of hours maybe, or an hour. And then I'll be heading down south to to another place, and it is called Fuerteventura Beach. It's got a big, huge lagoon, and it's another beautiful beach town. But because it's got a lagoon, that gives it such a different feelings to the place. So yeah, a little later we're gonna be heading to Fuerteventura Beach, and that would be about, let's see, how far is that? Fuerteventura Beach, that's about 27 miles. So that is Fuerteventura Beach, and which is pretty much to the south. I am right now here at El Castillo Beach. Today I'm planning to just explore and stick around in the southern part of Fuerteventura. It's not a huge island, but it's slightly, because if you look at the shape of it, in the length is about 100 kilometers, which is as compared to Gran Canaria, for example, or Tenerife is a bit more. But because these are mountains and this is pretty much flat, so even 100 kilometers shouldn't take more than an hour and a half, something like this. I don't really know. So again, I'm sticking around this region today in the southern part, and tomorrow, and stay somewhere, I don't know where I'm going to stay, and then tomorrow we're going to head to the northern part. And I think yeah, so I'm sure we're going to have a great time here in Fuerteventura. And I can see it's pretty flat. I mean, you got some of those mountains in the background you can see, but they're not huge. They're not huge like the one in Gran Canaria or Tenerife, where, you know, the peaks are covered in snow, and it's pretty barren. I mean, Fuerteventura is barren. It's a different landscape here. You're gonna love it, because I like Fuerteventura, and I like Lanzarote as well, which is gonna be our next stop. Not now, maybe in a few days. This is just outside that beach, where you got all these commercial the shops and the bit of commercial area. Not huge, but looks well kept, nice and clean. And yep, as you can see, everything is pretty much closed at this time. It's 8:30. The sun's coming out now, which is a great news. Oh, the palm trees. We are just strolling around the town